We know that dinosaurs are a kind of reptiles that lived in the Mesozoic era. They are of various types. There were giant herbivorous dinosaurs. There were also ferocious carnivorous dinosaurs. As we all know, Tyrannosaurus, Kanglong, Diplodocus, etc., they were the absolute rulers of the Earth at that time. They lived on the Earth in 3 geological eras, namely the Triassic, Jurassic, and Beluga periods. They ruled the Earth for nearly 160 million years. Unfortunately, 65 million years ago, but they all became extinct. Now, according to scientists' research, the extinction of dinosaurs was caused by an asteroid hitting the Earth. At that time, an asteroid with a diameter of about 10 kilometers rushed towards the Earth at a speed of 20 kilometers per second and then hit the diving area of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact generated a force equivalent to 100 trillion tons of TNT, equivalent to the power of 200,000 U.S.S.R.O hydrogen bombs. It was this impact that wiped out nearly 80% of the Earth's species, including flying birds and dinosaurs. Therefore, this extinction event is also called the Berrien-Kachinjian mass extinction. Well, maybe many people will have doubts here. A 10-kilometer diameter asteroid, can it really directly cause the extinction of all dinosaurs on Earth? Actually, the answer is impossible, if we only consider the destruction. The power of 100 trillion tons of TNT, not too big for the entire planet. Because the diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers, the damage caused by the impact is at most localized. Therefore, it is impossible to cause a global mass extinction of species. However, this impact wiped out nearly 80% of species. But why is this? In fact, 80% of species are extinct. It is a secondary disaster caused by an asteroid impact. You know, when an asteroid hits the Earth, a huge fireball and a large amount of dense debris and dust will form. These dust particles can be ejected tens of thousands of meters into the air in a powerful impact. Then it spreads around the world with the flow of the atmosphere. The thick dust blocked the sunlight. A large number of plants will slowly wither because they cannot photosynthesize. Not only that, the impact will also bring a huge tsunami, supervolcano eruptions, and forest fires. This series of secondary disasters would seriously damage the Earth's biosphere at that time and collapse the food chain. Those herbivorous dinosaurs had no source of plants, started to die. Carnivorous dinosaurs also died one after another because they caught fewer and fewer prey. This time is not overnight, but after a long millennium, even tens of thousands of years. We need to know, it is actually impossible for all living things on Earth to exist independently of other living things. That is to say, all living things need the Earth's biosphere, this big environment, to survive. If the biosphere, once a large number of species become extinct, then the entire biosphere will be broken. Therefore, dinosaurs at the top of the food chain were the most affected. So he embarked on the road to destruction. But the small mammals that were our ancestors at that time were different. Because of their small size, no need to eat a lot of food. So, able to hide underground for a long time to survive the harsh environment. Then, after a long period of evolution, only then was formed what we see today. Prosperity. The Earth is a blue planet full of water resources. Its surface is covered with about 1.386 billion cubic kilometers of liquid water. It is the existence of this water that has nurtured countless lives. Without water, the Earth would be a barren desert planet. However, to this day, scientists have been arguing, where does this water come from? Where does the water on Earth come from? There are two theories. A theory of Earth dimension, a meteorite theory. However, both theories speculate that water on Earth, in fact, it was formed as early as the birth of the Sun. There's just no evidence. But recently, scientists used the Webb telescope, and direct evidence seems to have been found. This evidence comes from the distance from Earth, PDS-70 planetary system 370 light-years away. PDS-70 planetary system. It is a planetary system in the making. It has an inner disk and an outer disk composed of gas and dust. The distance between the disks is about 8 billion kilometers. This time, scientists used the Webb telescope's macroscopic outward migration. The presence of water vapor was detected in the inner disk, about 160 million kilometers from the planet, and it is right in the habitable zone of this planet. Scientists believe this water vapor may be formed by hydrogen and oxygen atoms in the protoplanetary combined in this area, thus forming water molecules. And this seems similar to the speculation about the origin of water in our solar system. Therefore, the discovery has excited scientists, because through this planetary system, helping us to solve various mysteries of the solar system in the future.